got something for Jamaica.
Just be careful.
We don't
just be careful.
Remember what we did to them in the world? We got something for you. We got something for the Jamaican women.
All right, welcome to the Friday edition of the Duttyberry social media countdown. Make sure to hit the like button from right now. Okay, want to hear the song we are playing?
They never had a pretty girl from Joburg to me now, and that's what they prefer.
Box cover, this is Duttyberry, and welcome to another social media countdown. It's Friday, so we don't have no time for no top 10. We're only giving you 5 topics. Quick and easy because you know, probably have partying and excitement for go on with over the weekend. All right, now, so let's get into the show.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you can tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, uncover all the topics like I in them. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them talk me out what happening on the week, yo, just tune in, scene.
Alright, so before I jump into the countdown, we can't go ahead without talking about the national trials. I forgot to talk about the 100-meter finals, men and women. Come on, man. Kishane, what was that 9.77?
Seville and Thompson got away like rockets. Seville looks imperious. Thompson looks imperious and commanding as well. Kishane Thompson steps to the floor and gets...
And then you had the 100-meter woman where we now have, Shericka Jackson, regaining her title as the national champion. She did that in a time of 10.84 seconds. And so Tia Clayton, congrats.
Where they go. Kemba Nelson, Fraser Price got an excellent start. Tia Clayton is running the race of her life. Shericka Jackson turns on the afterburners now. Spectacular performance. 10.
To her, she'll be going to her first Olympic Games. And of course, Mommy Rocket, Pocket Rocket, Shelly and Fraser Price making her 5th Olympic team. No, some days ago, Noah Lyles did talk about, the state of the Jamaican runners, and I mentioned little things about hopefully them have good health, and it looked like the Jamaican men heard and decided to answer and show him up, because right now we have 2 of our runners who have actually, run faster than he has this season, so it's going to shape up for a very amazing Olympic finals. And now this is what Noah Lyles has to say. He's putting out messages talking about congratulations to the Jamaican team. What him say? Shout out to them boys out there running in Jamaica. Y'all really helping to make this a great Olympic championship. Okay, all right. Okay, Noah. Anyway, Burritos, what do you make of this? For more updates, check out the countdown on Monday. But for now, continue to the rest of the countdown.
This man is on fire.
Number 5, throwback TVJ. My antenna. All right, no man, show me age, Big up the people them who used to have the antenna with skin out. So like, yeah. Remember them days, eh? We have a station TV. Remember them, man? We don't know. You can't in an argument with people who don't remember antenna and big back TV. They have to wait until you decide to speak to them. Okay, that's how it's supposed to go. Anyway, so I saw this video on TikTok now, and I think the page has been really showing some throwback content memories, of old shows, old movies, old songs, and it's very nostalgic. Now, for the people them who know about local television, come on, how many of these things do you remember? Just watch. And for the ones who know, so the parents them did obsessed with Days of Our Life, Young and the Restless, Bold and the Beautiful, Sunset Beach, Generations. What else do the people them show? My grandmother they love one show named Walker Texas Ranger. You have one with the angel them. With the angel them name, man. No man, the 3 angel them, man. When you walk down the road, every burden and I will rise and I will walk with you. You know the song? I'll walk with you till the sun don't need to shine. I'll walk with you every time I tell you I'll walk with you. Backup vocals. Walk with you. Believe me, I'll walk with you. Yeah, man, that song, man. Every time I start it, man. Touched by an Angel. That is what the show name. Oh, God, fond memories. So can we bring back, you know, like creating local content for the Jamaican space? Come on, man. Let's do it in 2024. Number 4, Money and D-Man. Our readers know, so we know Monday the murder bunks boss and the grand sing nothing no talk yeah man, the murder bunks boss. You know, she recently went on a TikTok match and she played this game with a very memorable looking man, and he goes by the name of D-Man. Watch.
Come guys, what's up the score, my team?
Are you single? Are you single?
Not even like call your name. Make a call you babe.
Why? Why? Talk to me now.
I'm gonna call you baby, okay?
You call me baby?
Yes, I'm gonna call you baby.
Oh, is she gonna call me baby? She gonna call me baby. 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 Wow. Okay, let me shut you knock.
Yeah, you did jump when you're small?
What?
Did you fail when you were small?
Don't speak English.
Then the English may I speak, sir. Did you fail when you were small? Oh, you fell.
No.
Oh, you didn't fail.
No, man. The brother here are one of them people that once you see him, you're not going to forget him. That's what you call unforgettable, because I do not know him just look animated. Like, I'm a real regular human being. Like, him supposed to be popular. You know, some people, well, probably them could have said the same thing about me, but Jesus Christ, man, Jaja. Let me just shut my mouth right now, because no one fear say, you know, and then the Berry them, I listen to me right now and be like, but Berry, you know, really different, you know, because remember the glasses and then the hat and then you used to wear the bow tie and then the T to the space to the sun. So I'm going to shut my mouth right now and just say, yeah, but that's it, money. I'll hopefully play more matches with this brother. Number 3, Ziddy Scared. Me Ocean. All right, now, so Ziddy, he's been laying low lately, but he was one of them popular social media personality. Like, oh, you have the Rosalie, them, like, oh, you have the Swiss Lee and so many other people in the space. He was definitely a very popular face where a lot of people used the video as well. And so I was very surprised when I saw this video, because I was just like, Rihanna, where has this brother been? But it looked like, say, he's been everywhere learning how to swim. Take a look.
Put your legs behind you.
I'm scared. I want to come out.
Yeah, but listen up. I'm not gonna let you go.
I'm scared.
I'm gonna hold you right here until you get loose.
Scared. It's normal
It's normal to be scared. And it's a good thing.
Don't let me go, sir.
No, sir, I won't. All right, put your legs behind you now.
Don't let me go.
No, I'm not letting you go.
The floaty they have in the back?
Yeah, push your legs behind
They
you.
have a floaty in the back that I'm pushing on it.
Oh, I need help.
Yeah, I got you. Don't hold on here. Look at me.
You're
Just
doing it.
float.
You got
Just
it.
float.
Yay! Awesome.
All right. No, hey, don't climb it. Look here. Look at me. Look at me now. I want you to look at me. No, look at me. You gotta do this. Open your elbow.
Put your legs behind you.
I'm scared.
You're doing it. You're in the water. You're safe.
Look at me now. Just open your elbows and hold on to that ring. Look, do as they do. Hold on by yourself. And push you. Look here now. Push your body. No, don't hold on so far. Hold on close. Yeah. And push this away from you now. Push it out. Yes, you can.
Straighten up your arms.
Open your elbows.
Yeah, straighten your arms.
Look at me. I'm the one. No, sir. Listen, you're not. Look here, look. You gotta look at me.
Right up to my home.
Yes, and that's because, watch. Look at me. Open your elbows.
Big cute. All of me dog, them a eat food. All of me gal, them a live good. Would be mine a sport mood. Education, the key of the real tool.
Boy, you know, I can't even laugh after time because I don't feel so confident. Give me a pool, I can thread lightly in the pool, but don't come send me out in a big old ocean. I don't want to see no Pacific Sea, no Caribbean Sea. None of that. That is the height of like my anxiety. Like, come on, man. Do you know how scary the ocean is? Like one time we do a little scuba diving, something there, and just being down there where you can't even see little light. You can't hear everything 100% and you feel the pressure like that. I don't know what down there, but like, yeah, man. That's some scary stuff. But like Ziddy, he definitely powered through, and so I do like that he's actually trying to overcome his fears. So for any of the Berritos them, if you know how to swim, big up yourself in the comments, and if you're like me, where you know 200%, I could just stay on land. Number 2, Niger Confessions. Mid. Boy, I'm going to say a while ago, I can't say that, man. I'm going to say me Stevie Wonder, but let's just go. All right, now, so Niger boy, he's been popping up on my social media very often because him know how to work the social media circuit. So on on an interview with the Fixed podcast, he sat down and he gave a bunch of stories. And one of these stories is, how he managed to pull the ladies and the length through which some of these people have gone through to interact with Niger. Take a listen.
So me I talked to one girl that day, Zine. Yeah. And I don't remember where the conversation went go to. And it's like me said to her, she said to me, her heart is beating fast. Right? So me say, come let me touch you and see if it's true. Right? And she said to me, but I'm sorry, I have a man. So I said to her, yeah, but your man don't know, say me nah see nothing. Here's what I say. Hey? So she make me feel the heart. I don't see me if you feel it. Hey? I say, but just I feel the heart. Exactly. This is big though. Alright. Even if she decides that she won't want to give me all peace too. Me nah see forget it. What? Hey? What? Like think about it. Me nah see forget it.
That's not how it works. That's not how it works.
Well, in enough people mind that's how it works.
Yeah man, me never say a thing.
In enough people mind that's how it works. They don't think. Them don't think me operate normally.
Yeah.
Yes, what me I say? And then I use it to my advantage.
Honestly, I feel like Niger boy, I need for us to go to stand-up comedy right now because this brother, like, come on, man. Is when they see certain things, and it make it us preset, God now will give you everything. Because come on, can you imagine if this brother could actually see? Because like the personality, the lyricism, and all of the things, him did that for missing something. Something did that for us, like, because now you're going to tell me, say, the man was like Gallis and all of these things and educated, what do you call it, like informative, like in no time and place, like, come on, man. He is shaping up to be one of them artists there that may very well be around for a long time, like, and so I can't wait to see when him, you know, give him more of him reggae catalog and show him full artistry. But big up yourself, Niger boy, and hopefully you do more interviews. And so when you follow Jamaica again, make sure you say, you know, I can get a Duttyberry interview as well. Okay.
Now here is this week's random video of the week.
Beat and trim Rasta days done. You have to see Rasta drive big Benz like everybody else. What you mean? Rasta said I'm ready. Step so clean. If you have a problem with that, dirty. Mr. Life have to nice. Everybody want life nice. We want a nice life too. Peace and love.
And number one goes to Shannon this J.A. What? No, I'm not clap for that. I'm not clap well. Yeah, man, number one goes to my word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca. Number one goes to Shannon Sharpe. Oh, God. Dissing our Jamaican athletes, or beloved Jamaican athletes. Can you believe that the brother sit down and say that it is basically over for us winning medals in the sprints them? Like, don't take my word for it. Listen to him.
And Fraser Price, Stephen A., she's about to be 40 years of age. But when you look at Sha'Carri and what she's been able to do, man, Dennis Mitchell got him running down there. He has these men and women running extremely well. Don't peek too soon. Dennis, pull him back.
All right. All right, pull them back.
I'm hyped. We got something for y'all, Jamaica.
Shay. Oh, you're dead right. Wait a minute now.
We got something for Jamaica.
I understand that. Listen, I believe in us. But let's not tug on the cake now. This is Jamaica.
We got something for Jamaica.
Just be careful.
We don't
just be careful.
Remember what we did to them in the world? We got something for you. We got something for the Jamaican women. Right. We think, hey, they're living.
I don't see.
Hey.
You ain't running. You ain't the one running. All I'm saying is stop tugging at them. Stop tugging at them like that. Stop that.
That's what we doing to them. That's what we doing to them
right now. Stop that right now. Just be cool. Just be cool.
Got me losing all my jewelry. We got something. Get that thing in the hands of Noel. Just get it in his hands.
Okay.
And we got something for you.
Okay. All right. I'm with that.
Jamaican women.
I'm just saying.
I'm putting y'all on notice.
That was.
Yeah, I feel away. I feel away right there. So, like, I don't like it. I don't want it here. Not because Sha'Carri in her peak season, and she run good and she in her fitness. You know, I don't want to hear it. Like, I don't know. I understand. Because really and truly, our top girls, them, you know, Shelly and Fraser Price, the Shericka Jackson, and the Kishane Thompson here, we're not really, I know our best season now. We're not so match ready, we're not so race ready. We're still a work through a whole heap of kinks and injuries. And it's just so unfortunate that it coincided in an Olympic year. Better you go have that conversation with Cat Williams, but leave our girls alone, because let me just say, you know, Jamaica we will always find some surprising medals. Each Olympic Games or World Championship, there will be an upset, there will be a shock factor. And if me know anything about Stephen Francis, like, him probably a cook up like a brand new athlete for come on now and probably take one of the 3 spots them on the team. So let's just wait and watch everything play out, okay? But Berry-Does, let me know what you make of Shannon's comments regarding our Jamaican athletes. Sound off below. Well, that's it, Berry-Does. We've come to the end of another social media countdown. Make sure you say you like, you share, your comment, and you subscribe to the TheDuttyBerryShow YouTube channel. Yeah, man, tell a friend to tell a friend. Also, follow me on my social media at TheDuttyBerryShow on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, all over. Instagram as well. And to advertise within the social media countdown, shoot me an email to bookings.DuttyBerryShow@gmail.com. Oh, Lord, Berry-Does, me have to just get big up to Grand Palladium, you know, for sponsoring the countdown. Also, Berry-Does, let me know, you want me to cover some fest this year? I'm still on the fence, I feel like I want to go, but maybe if you don't give me some little encouraging words, I might really confirm it. So let me know in the comments. Take care and enjoy your weekend. Bye-bye.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things that going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you can tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like I in them. Pot cover, mix up, blender. All them talk me, what happened on the week, yo, just tune in. Zine.